boys and girls. So today we're going to be creating our name to look like graffiti art, okay? And you have a choice. You can do your own kind of bubble letters, which is what I did on this one, or you can use the paper that I have and you can trace them onto your paper, okay? There will be some light boxes. This is what this is. You just tap this little button and it gets brighter, and it's kind of like putting your paper against the window. 3 is as high as it goes. All you do is you lay the paper that you're going to use for tracing underneath, and then you'll be able to see through your paper to the letters, okay? So if I was going to do Mrs. Walker, I would just pick the M, trace around the M with your pencil. These have like a little shadow on them, which I think is kind of cool. You do not have to trace the shadow, but I'm going to because I kind of like the shadow. And then you get to decide, do I want my letters to be overlapping or do I want them to be separate? So if I want to leave a little space, I could. On this one, I actually did them a little overlapped, and then I had to erase right between where they overlapped. So I think I might try that again. I kind of like it. I like a little bit of an overlap, plus it fits better. So when you trace them, now if I want this R to be underneath, I just wouldn't trace anything that is underneath that one. If I want it to be on top, then I have to trace this part of the R and erase part of the M. I think I'm going to leave it underneath because it's just easier. And I'm going to move it over to the S. And you don't need to watch me do all this, but this is what you're going to do. You're going to take turns at the light box or the window, your choice, just so that we all get done, right? And then, where's the W? There it is. And then we'll talk about what you're going to do next once everybody gets theirs traced on. So your job right now is just get your name traced onto your paper and then go around the pencil lines with a Sharpie so that it looks like this, okay? Trace around it with Sharpie.